Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making homemade walnut pesto. This is such a delicious recipe and a good alternative for your tomato sauce. So, let's start.
For pesto, we need basil. I'm growing my own in my back garden and they are growing like crazy. Chop all the picked basil into smaller pieces and put them aside in a bowl. Now grab a mortar and pestle and put the walnuts in it. Crush them into a paste. I don't use a machine because the speed of the blades can burn the basil, resulting in a bitter taste. Now grab your chopped basil and crush them as well. Keep mashing and add the Parmesan cheese. And grate 1 clove of garlic into the mixture. Add the extra virgin olive oil. Keep on mashing until your arms fall off and lastly add some salt and pepper. And there you go!
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos of me. And let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next one.